Welcome to DXT School. Today's lesson is about reading. The Sanctuary of Stillness. Reclaiming silence in a digital age. In the contemporary landscape of the 21st century, we find ourselves ensnared in a relentless tapestry of auditory stimulation. From the percussive ping of a smartphone notification to the ambient hum of urban sprawl, silence has been relegated to a luxury, or worse, an anomaly to be feared. This essay contends that our collective horror vacui, the dread of empty spaces and quiet moments, has profound implications for our cognitive health and the integrity of our inner lives. Historically, silence was the crucible in which philosophy and art were forged. Thinkers from the Stoics to the Transcendentalists viewed solitude not as an isolation, but as an expansive dialogue with the self. Had Thoreau been constantly tethered to a digital hive mind, it is unlikely that the pond at Walden would have yielded such profound insights into the human condition. Today, however, the concept of the flaneur has been supplanted by the doom scroller. The internal monologue is perpetually interrupted by the algorithmic intrusion of the external world. Furthermore, neuroscience suggests that silence is far from a passive state. When external stimuli subside, the brain's default mode network engages, facilitating memory consolidation and creative synthesis. Should we continue to saturate our environments with unceasing noise, we risk atrophying the very faculties that allow for deep, sustained attention. It is in the intervals between sounds that meaning often resides. Critics might argue that constant connectivity fosters a global community, yet one must ask, what is the quality of an interaction if the interlocutors lack the self-possession that only solitude provides? If we cannot bear our own company, we bring only a hollow shell to the table of public discourse. To reclaim silence is therefore an act of intellectual rebellion. It is to acknowledge that the evanescent nature of a quiet moment is precisely what makes it invaluable. We must cultivate sanctuaries of stillness, recognizing that without the pause, the symphony of existence becomes nothing more than a cacophony. Only through the embrace of quietude can we hope to discern the nuances of our own thoughts amidst the roar of the machine. Now let's move to the quiz. Listen carefully. Which of the following best expresses the author's primary argument? A. Modern technology should be banned to preserve ancient philosophy. B. Silence is a vital necessity for creative thought and cognitive health that is being lost. C. The sound of urban sprawl is the main cause of psychological stress in cities. D. Thoreau's Walden Pond is the only place left where one